Hello, everyone. If you want to take a break from social media or just temporarily hide your profile, today I'll show you how to easily deactivate your Threads account. Follow me step by step, and you'll learn how to temporarily hide your account, quickly and easily. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. First, find and open the Threads app and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in the Threads app, the next step is to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your profile, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them, and it will take you to the settings page. In the settings, you'll see a lot of options. Find Account and tap on it. Next, in this section, find the option called Deactivate or Delete Profile and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see a message explaining that your Threads account will be temporarily hidden. Your profile, posts, likes, and followers won't be visible to anyone until you log back in. This is a safe option, and your Instagram account won't be affected. To complete the process, simply tap the Deactivate Profile button and then tap Deactivate in the pop-up window to confirm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.